Hi everyone, Anwi here and welcome to another video with Anwi. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Anwi and I do natural hair videos, aim of helping you out there with some tips and ideas on how you can also take care of your own natural hair. If that is something in which you're interested in, make sure you hang around and you also subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. So I know I've been away for quite some time, but I needed some time to boost up my energy, to put myself together, because this whole YouTube space is a whole new thing for me and I'm learning on a lot of things, and so I just needed this time to kind of put one and two together. But it's a whole brand new year and I'm back with brand new energy, with brand new ideas, and I'm also here to challenge myself and also to challenge the norms and to try as much as I can to provide you with better quality content. So let's see how this year 2020 goes along for us here on this channel. I really don't like doing this, but I think it is very important because then it kind of makes you to be focused and to know that you have something you're working up to, you're looking up to. And for me and this channel, I want to really improve on the quality of my videos. As I mentioned, this whole YouTube thing is a new space for me, so there is a whole lot of things for me to learn here, and I want to make sure that I'm touching on a lot of these things so that I can improve on my videos and be able to deliver content that you would also like to, also to entertain ourselves. So that is one of my main goals. And this year I also want to do more of protective hairstyles, so be on the lookout for that, because I'll be coming up with a lot of other protective hairstyles. This is one of my main protective styles. I will show you how I maintain my hair in this protective style. Now this was the following day and I decided to refresh a few pieces of my hair, and this is what I normally do. I would go in and take out a few pieces. I started by refreshing the front part of my hair. What I just do is I unravel each piece, maybe like 5-6 pieces per time, then refresh it with a little bit of water, and you can see how I'm working in this water. Then I pull out any of the shed hair and moisturize the hair and twist it up. I'm working in this oil, and you would see me later go in with a comb to loosen the roots of my hair. And why I'm doing this is because our scalp naturally produces sebum. So this sebum gets stuck at the roots of our hair. Because of the nature of our hair, it can't travel easily along the shafts of our hair. So over this time it has accumulated, and I'm just scraping it and trying to pull it along the length of my hair. This really feels very good. It actually works like a scalp massage, but you want to make sure that the tips of your comb are very smooth and not having any freckles or cracks. And this is how much I refreshed for this period. Then for the rest of my hair, I just go and spritz it with some water and work in that water. Then I am going to seal in this moisture with an oil and see how I work in this oil in a downward. Then I'll go ahead and tie up my hair and ready for bed while it sets and ready for the next day. And this is how I refresh my hair from time to time. For this particular hairstyle, I did it over this holiday period. I've had this twist in for about 2 weeks now. I mean, though I didn't take pictures of when I just installed them, but I really like this hair for a protective style because I can always go in to massage my scalp, to feel my hair and to trick my hair however I want to. And also I can observe the ends of my hair properly and to give it that attention and care that it needs. I would also like to make videos that I'm very passionate about. I mean, when I say passionate about, of course, I'm passionate about doing these hair videos for you, because even if I was not doing these YouTube videos, I would still be taking care of my hair the same way in which I'm doing right now, and even more, because you're not able to include everything on video. So what I mean is to include a whole other things other than hair, like taking care of my skin, which is bringing us to our next point. yes, skincare. So I want to dip a little bit into skincare this year, and I want to pay that much attention to my skin. So I would be coming up with some skincare videos alongside with my natural hair videos. For instance, I have some hyperpigmentations around my jaws here, and also some breakouts around my under chin here. So those are some things I have to take care of things like facial hair and other stuff. So I'll be coming up with a whole lot of interesting things. Not only do we want to have beautiful hair, we also want our skin to be looking fresh, new, and so I hope you all are excited for this new year, because I am very, very excited with this new energy. I am looking forward to how this channel is going to turn around, and with the new ideas and new things I want to add on to this channel. I hope to make this place very interesting for all of us. So make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next video. Until my next one, bye bye.